an idiot if you're not watching these 3 stocks for Thursday's trading day. Last night, as always, I gave you the biggest stocks in the market like this stock here on VWAV before it exploded over 50% today after market open. Tomorrow is the big day for the Figma IPO. I'll be walking through my entire game plan about how you can bank on the Figma IPO tomorrow. And the fact is, a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money on Figma trading it the wrong way. Now, I'm going to save my game plan on Figma for last, so make sure to watch the full video so you're fully prepared to trade the hottest IPO of the year. First up on the list is one of last night's watches yet again, and this one actually exploded today over 80%. And it looks like it has more in store for tomorrow if this one thing happens. Now, that stock here is SGD with its super strong close today. So what I want to see happen here, I want to see it get bought back up into the upper 2.7s, 2.8s. At that point, we'd have confirmation of demand down here off of 225 and 230s. So we can then look for pullbacks. So once price, or if price does confirm off this low back up into the 2.7s, let's then look for pullbacks back into this range over 230 for pullback opportunities for the range back overhead towards 3 and 360 to the upside. This thing looks incredible, but only if we actually confirm out of this area of demand. If we don't, this is just not a good opportunity. Next up, and number 2 looks even better than SGD, and that stock is here over on CAPR. Now, this thing gapped up 22% today after the FDA head of biologics stepped down today. And I want to watch for possible continuation to the upside if this one thing happens. Now, we have a pretty awesome looking hourly flag forming here that I want to watch for a break to the upside on. We have awesome range on the daily time frame as well, so this thing looks pretty dang good. So what I want to look for here is a break over that high of day with some pretty serious strength. I want to see strong price action on that break, and then I want to see price pull back to retest off that breakout level to confirm there are buyers over this breakout spot. If price does confirm off those pullbacks, we have room all the way overhead to 950 and 10 towards that psychological level to the upside. Now, this thing does look amazing, but of course, as always, no break, no trade. Last, but certainly not least, is the insanely hyped IPO on Figma tomorrow. Now, before I give it to you, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single day for completely free. So please do me a massive favor, hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now again, that stock here is Figma, ticker FIG. And you know what? It could provide a pretty amazing opportunity tomorrow, but only if you watch it this one way. People are going to lose a lot of money here from chasing, a lot of FOMO. Now, you can't follow the crowd, so we have to be one step ahead. Now, as you know, stocks like CRCL and CRWV are some of the main reasons why these IPOs have been so hot lately. But this is the smartest way to make the most amount of money on these IPOs so you're not left holding the bag. Now, the analogy that I always use is it's better to be late than it is to be early. Now, what I mean by that is think of it this way. You go to a party, nobody's there, now you're embarrassed, you look like an idiot. So it's much better if you show up to the party once everybody's already there and it's already popping off. So just like here on CRCL, what happened here is, of course, first and second day, we made this sort of 2-3 day rally. And again, that is not guaranteed. So do not say, well, Kev, why don't we just buy here? It's going to go up. No, that's not guaranteed. So we want to remove that uncertainty. What we want to have happen here is price to put in a range